Well, we went to Home Depot to pick up the concrete. I don't know if we'll get a chance to pour the concrete today in our forms on both ends of the greenhouse or the high tunnel. We'll see. We'll just have to see if we get a break in the weather. And right now it's sprinkling and thundering, and I don't know. It may be a washer for us, but today is our anniversary, so that might be a good thing to give Darren a chance to rest. I think we just, both of us, we go so much till really don't feel like going out anywhere. Just to be able to be home is where we both want to be. So I don't know, I hear the raindrops dropping again on the chicken coop porch. So anyways, I'm gonna get the chickens taken care of and get back in before it starts pouring down again. What did we decide to do?
To pick up a trailer, our cattle trailer that we had backed up to that pen, that our makeshift corral, loading corral that we were trying to load a bull in, and we load all the cows in. We're gonna go pick it up because they're selling that land. The bull's not there anymore.
And it's misting rain.
Yes.
The gentleman who owns us,
He's in poor health.
He's in very poor health, and so they're going to need to sell the property. We never really rest, do we?
What's that?
Do we know what rest
What
is?
Rest.
This is where it all started.
Go back and look at the videos, but this was covered with little trees like this right here. All up through here, all back over here. And we fed ryegrass over. Now, I don't know if you can hear that. That's water. The ground's holding water. It wasn't before because it was just bare right here. It was really kind of open. And now it's got this tall ryegrass on it. It's got all this overlaid hay on it. And if I dig down in there, it's up here. You can see right there, it's already starting to break down. Look at this. See all the roots in there? This is what we're trying to do at our place right here. See the root system? I just pulled that clump out of the ground right there. And it's pretty much a layer of hay that's broken down. Ryegrass rooted up inside of it because there was a lot of rye seeds in that ryegrass that we rolled out. And along with the manure, and it seeded down like sod down to the top of the bare dirt and set roots. And from there on, it's just gonna keep performing. Unless they don't bring any cows in here. If they bring more cows in here to keep grazing it and not overgraze it, because you don't need to go down. See up there the growth. This is a leaf right here. You want to go below that. You want to stay above that. Cut it the other way. There you go. Cut it hard. Cut it hard. Where you going? Cut it. Hold on. Keep cutting it. Keep cutting it. Keep cutting it. Come on. Now straighten it out. Whoa! Pull up.
Oh, how bad did I do on the tractor for first time?
You did all right. You didn't run over nothing. You didn't throw me off.
I didn't throw you off, and I did get it backed up, and I did pull it out.
You did all right.
So what do you do on your 39th anniversary? You learned how to drive a tractor in the rain.
That's it. Go feed cows, feed chickens.
Hey, I wouldn't have it any other way.